Welcome to alternativetherapyclinic.net. Today we'll talk about music as medicine. Our body is the largest pharmaceutical group in the world and has the capacity to heal each and every disease. The very fact that there is a receptor for every drug in the body means that the body has the capacity to produce that particular drug. Music is one such modality which can heal by initiating various chains of chemical reactions in the body. Chanting vowels produces interleukin-2 in the body, which is one of the finest painkiller. Chanting nasal consonants produces tranquilizers in the body. In yoga, we have chakra meditation. There are energy centers, 7 energy centers in the body, and each energy center has got a specific sound. These sounds are lum, which is associated with fear. Then we have the sound vam, it's associated with attachments. We have sound ram, it is for doubts. Then we have sound yam. Yam is associated with unconditional love. We have a sound hum. Hum is truthfulness. And finally we have a sound called Om. Om is a non-judgmental sound. Various chemicals can be produced in the body by chanting of these various vowels and consonants. Nasal consonants are vibrant sounds and produce vibrations of the autonomic plexus, causing balance between sympathetic and parasympathetic states of the mind. More the nasal consonants in the music, the more will be its relaxing and healing power. Listening to overtone chanting in music can also heal people in the vicinity of the music. Recitation of music can also increase or decrease the respiratory rate of the singer. Lyrics which reduce respiratory rate will lead to parasympathetic healing activity in the body. The respiratory rate of a listener too can increase and decrease if he is absorbed in the song. Listening to music or song word by word and by understanding its meaning can also change the biochemistry of the listener. A song can create an excitement or a feeling of even depression. That is the power of music. A song or music can also work like intent by speaking in the form of prayers. Group prayers can have a very powerful effects and convert intent into reality through the concept of spontaneous fulfillment of desire. Music is often linked with dance, both classical as well as Western, which provides additional healing in the body. Gestures, mudras, bhav and emotions associated with the songs produce parasympathetic state in both the singer and the listener. So music in the Western world and they have also started music as a healing therapy, but in India music has been a healing therapy since last 5,000 years. Thank you so much. This was Dr. Kaushik from alternativetherapyclinic.net.